Hey, this is Greg Hawks again. I wanted to add a little something as well to the video I put out there today. I was doing some diving into some tools that I use for cross-referencing, and Hiretual is one of them that I tend to use. I'm going to search myself here because I found it pretty interesting, some of the upgrades that they've made. And I wanted to mention it because I've talked about some of this in some of the articles that I've written for SourceCon and that sort of thing. So I use the cross-referencing tool. I don't know if everybody saw that, but on the Hiretual dashboard, there's a bunch of different stuff here. Click on Toolbox, click on cross-reference, put in the person that you're looking for. Sometimes if you put in like a state or some details like a certification or something, it'll help pop up the person that you're looking for. And you see I have a lot of stuff on my LinkedIn profile because I'm a big nerd. But what I found interesting were these little icons here, okay? And with some tools out there, you click on some of these icons and they don't go anywhere. They just do like a search and they don't actually take you to a profile. And one of the things that I've always been looking for is something that aggregates all the different profiles into one profile. And I don't care if they use, if they scrape on LinkedIn and pull this information. I don't care if they scrape on various different sites. I don't really care how they do it. What I noticed though was this is my Twitter profile, and it's not a search for my Twitter profile. It is my actual Twitter profile. In addition to that, let's see, that is not a search for my GitHub profile. That is my actual GitHub profile. And let's see if we can find AngelList. So they might do searches, but they do it on the back end, and that is my actual profile. Okay. And that's honestly, that's probably where they got all these aspects as well, because I put a bunch of social on AngelList. But the point of this is the right direction. This is where we need to be going. I don't even know what this is. This is a website, and I think the website broke. Yeah, that's not my website. That is not my website. Is that a Google Plus? I don't think I put my Google Plus on there. No, so it does do a search for my Google Plus. But this is the right direction, people, because my LinkedIn profile, my GitHub profile, my AngelList profile, let me see if Facebook is. That is my Facebook profile. They're taking me to my actual profile, and I think that's a great step in the right direction. I want to see more tools do this. Not only that, they've got some of my emails. That's not my most used email, but that is a personal email. And a bunch of other stuff on me. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I've been looking for is some tool makers to really listen to us sourcers and pull in information that they can, because now I can cross-reference somebody and I can see kind of where they are on social. Let me see if I can cross-reference somebody else. I think I'll look for Aaron. I think Linz is going to be out there. Yeah, that's Linz. Okay. All right, now let's see. Hey, anybody want his phone number? Just kidding. I'm not going to do that till Aaron. He's a good friend of mine. Oh, but okay. Example, GitHub profile, AngelList profile. I bet they pulled this from AngelList. Oh, that's AngelList again. Oh, hey, Facebook. There you go. That's a cute kid, by the way. Yeah, so direct profile links. Just thought that I might add that, because anytime I see an improvement like that, especially a free tool, a free functionality, I want to make sure that everybody knows about that, so they can go back in this, play around with it, and see what they can find. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for reading. And yeah, click the links for more videos. Click the link to subscribe if you haven't, and let's spread the word and help out the sourcing community. Thanks.